Triple net charges are the tenant's pro rata share of real estate taxes, insurance, and common area maintenance, or CAM charges. CAM charges are maintenance fees associated with the building or property that directly relate to the retail premises. So an example of that would be snow removal on the sidewalk outside of the storefront or upkeep of a parking lot. So the real estate taxes and insurance charges are not negotiable. However, CAM charges can be negotiated. So there are two ways to do this. A tenant can request a list from the landlord to itemize exactly what's included in those CAM charges. And if something isn't applicable or could be negotiated, a tenant could push back on that particular charge. Another way, a tenant can also propose a cap on controllable CAM charges. So an example of a controllable CAM charge would be landscaping fees to common areas within the building or property. An example of an uncontrollable CAM charge, which couldn't be negotiated, would be snow removal. So an example of how the wording would be on that would be controllable CAM charges not to exceed 5% of the previous year's charges.